Meet nature's ultimate aerial assassin, the dragonfly. Dragonflies don't just chase, their brains predict where prey will be, then intercept. With eyes packed with tens of thousands of facets and dedicated neurons, they lock onto one target and ignore the rest. Some studies show up to 95% capture success, insanely efficient, though it varies by species and setup. Engineers study dragonfly brains to build smarter drone vision and tracking systems. Not perfect for every species or situation, success depends on prey, environment, and species. Tiny brains, big tricks, selective attention neurons boost track and intercept. Wing control plus vision enables corrections in tens of milliseconds. They help curb mosquitoes and signal ecosystem health. Nature's tiny predator. Follow for more wild science. What animal should we explain next?